Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a homeowner's insurance plan with Allstate, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start a homeowner's insurance plan with Allstate, begin by visiting the Allstate website. Look for the homeowner's insurance section on the homepage. Click on the link to get more information about their offerings. Read through the available options and coverage types. Make note of what is essential for your specific needs. Prepare to gather necessary information for your application. This may include details about your home, such as its age and condition. You will also need to know the square footage and any special features. Consider the value of your personal belongings as well. Once you have this information, proceed to the quote tool on the website. Enter your zip code to find the nearest Allstate agent. Fill in your home details as prompted in the online form. Review the estimated premiums provided based on your inputs. If you are satisfied, you can choose to contact an agent directly. Call the customer service number or use the online chat feature for assistance. Discuss your needs and ask any questions you may have. The agent will help tailor a policy that fits your requirements. Be prepared to review terms and conditions carefully. Once you finalize your options, complete any required forms. You may need to submit additional documentation to finalize your application. After approval, review your policy details carefully. Ensure you understand the coverage limits and deductibles. Create an account on the Allstate website to manage your policy online. Regularly review your coverage to ensure it meets your changing needs. Remember to pay your premiums on time to keep your policy active. Finally, reach out to your agent anytime you have questions or need assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.